Ethereum has broken out of that 4K region, which is the most important level in the history of Ethereum. Plus, everyone is talking about altcoins becoming super bullish from here. But which alts do you need to see? Which alts are the one that we need to attack in terms of the levels as well as fundamentals? What I've done is I've created this very short, crisp and full of alpha video, which is less than 10 minutes, and I've given 3 ecosystems as well as tokens that I believe are worth investing or trading in right now. So what you need to do is nothing, just give me 10 minutes, like the video, subscribe if you like the content, and let's go. Obviously, we are in an alt season, right? Because Ethereum has broken out of that massive 4K level, which everyone was waiting for. If you were an investor in Ethereum, then you understand the pain of holding this asset, this token, for more than 3.5 years, because it's been 3.5 years since we last saw 4,200 levels, right? And where we are today. But in the last year itself, in this bull market, Ethereum has tapped the 4K level 4 times, and apparently 4 times is the charm. So the first time in March 2024, it went down 30%. In May 2024, it went down 50%. In December 2024, it went down 65% when it tapped the 4K level. And now, finally, it has broken out of that major resistance and is ready to fly and give you that all season vibes, obviously. But does it just fly from here? No, it can obviously consolidate, and let it consolidate. We don't care about its consolidation because we've been trading and we have been winning. In the last 2 days itself, I have taken profits on my Ethereum ecosystem as well as LST beta protocols. For example, Lido, I took profits on this massive trade, amazing with front runners community. Then I took profits on Bonk as well, and then I took profits on Jito too. So these trades were amazing, and now I'm hoping for more and more trades. But first, you understand that the alt season is here. You understand that you should be looking at the best tokens with really good fundamental as well as technical value. So I have here 3 tokens for you that are going to perform like amazing, and no one is actually looking at them. So they are underlooked tokens for this cycle. Let's go. The first one is Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid against BTCs has been consolidating from past 80 days now. You can see this massive consolidation after a major move towards the upside. But wait, once it breaks out, I think this is going to fly like crazy. But the USDT pair is not doing a lot against. If you look at against Ethereum, if you look against other tokens, Hyperliquid was doing good. Hyperliquid was at the forefront. Hyperliquid was the main cover photo of the main magazine, but now it's not. I've got the levels for you. I've got the levels. There are 3 scenarios in this Hyperliquid token. First is that it goes up, obviously it has went up, and it consolidates here to create a bull flag. Now, if that bull flag creation happens, then I'm going to take the breakout trade, leverage as well as spot. No financial advice. Now, the second scenario is that it actually comes down to this point, which is the 41.5 level, the best case scenario for your portfolio, because you're going to get Hyperliquid for discount plus. It is also the tap of that EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon tap, the support, as well as the neckline breakout. Amazing. That's a double confluence for you. So I think 41.5 is the level for me to buy. But wait. The levels are here. Please let me talk about the metrics as well. Because if you go to the Dune dashboard of the cash cows are the companies, the projects which are actually making money in the markets. Hyperliquid tops. Hyperliquid literally tops this list, and monthly rev 91.3 mil. You've got quarterly rev 21.6 mil. You've got yearly rev, which is 425.1 mil. Guys, revenue growth 47% in 30 days. Revenue growth 70% in 90 days. Revenue growth 100% in last 1 year. Absolutely crazy. If you actually see in terms of comparison, last 30 days Hyperliquid did 90.3 mil they made 90.3 mil, but in comparison, Ethereum plus Pumpfund plus Athena plus Base plus Ondo plus Solana plus Pendle plus Uniswap plus Aave plus MetaMask equals 88.3 mil in last 30 days. Compare, guys, compare. I'm giving you one of the best tokens. Obviously, a lot of people know about it, but with levels, with actual risk management style, with a proper stop loss. It doesn't end here because if you really see Hyperliquid is truly undervalued, the PE ratio, the S WPE, which is the supply weighted PE ratio for hyperliquid, is currently sitting at the bottom. And what does it say when it's sitting at the bottom and revenue is sitting at the all-time highs? Is that lower values of this suggest stronger demand relative to float, which can support price and point to undervaluation that is happening right now, right in front of you. The AF absorption, which is the absorption fund, the assistant fund for hyperliquid, which is buying back the tokens, hyperliquid tokens from the fees that they generate, is going towards the highs. It's actually trending towards the upside. The sell volume is getting lower and lower, and the price is not there. Yes, there is a proper mismatch in the price of hyperliquid and the assistant fund ratio. So this has to play a catch up as well. Price is going to go up. If you look at the years to buy back supply, I'm going to show you in real time, then it's going to take around 3.63 years right now for hyperliquid to buy all the hype tokens that are ready to be sold. Absolutely, absolutely crazy. Going back to our chart for hyperliquid chart, I told you guys, buy 41.5. No financial advice, but that is the best case scenario of the EMA ribbon support as well as the neckline breakout. Also, if the bull flag happens, then buy the breakout. These are the two case scenarios for me, and I'm not gonna stop, obviously, buying this thing. The next token, it's not hyperliquid, it's Solana. Everyone knows about Solana. What's so good about Solana? Wait, let me tell you. Let me show you the dominances chart. Let me show you the USDT pair. Let me actually show you the metrics, and then you will understand why we also need to look at Solana. Yes, Ethereum is breaking out, but we are trading Ethereum. It's not like we are not trading Ethereum. We have to also look at the underlooked tokens. That is our style. That is what we do, to create some limit orders, stupid limit orders, so that we can trade. And we are actually looking ahead to the future. Solana dominance right now sitting at the lows, this massive range of 596 days. It's a long time. 596 days is like bloody 2 years, and it has been consolidating since then. Right now it's sitting at the support. What does it say? Sitting at the support means that it's underlooked. It's a good buy, not at the current levels, but you need to be thinking about it. Sol versus ETH actually broke down at this level, and I was quite vocal about it, which is why I was in the Ethereum ecosystem tokens. But now I'm coming back. I'm looking back to the Solana ecosystem tokens, because Sol ETH is coming to the support. Soon it will be coming back to the support, and that is when we are going to be triggering this buy like crazy. If you look at the July report, then Solana DApps generated over 164 million revenue, which is up 50% from the last month. So all season is actually here. They're not only the meme coin chain, they're not only the gambling chain. If you remember tokenized stocks, the X stocks, it finally hit the tokenized stock volume is right now crossing 2 bill. It's not meme tokens, no JPEGs, actual equities being trading on Solana. It's like great. It's just amazing to see how fundamentally good this chain is, and why you should be invested in it. Now you've got the ETF issuers talking about it. You've got the Sol staking ETF as well. The Sol ecosystem is looking flourished right now, so you shouldn't be missing this, obviously, right? If you look at this thread, I'm not going to go through the whole thread, but still metrics in July: first place in protocol rev, transactions, active addresses, fee efficiency, tokens launched. All Solana, guys. It's not any other token, it's not any other chain, it's Solana that I'm talking about here. If you actually look at the price for Solana, then I've got a buy level for you, and the buy level right now is at 174.5 or 175. I think this is a good zone to be investing in Solana spot. I'm not saying don't look at Ethereum. Obviously, we should be trading in the Ethereum ecosystem, but underlooked tokens are very important. Plus, if you actually see Solana ecosystem, then Radium, which is the main DEX, is up 10 to 15%. 10 to 15% today. So this is going to happen. You need to have the best trades in Solana. You need to be looking at these tokens. For example, in my opinion, you've got Radium, you've got Jito, and you've got Popcat plus WIF. These are like, and as well as the Solana token itself, the chain token itself. So if you have 3 to 4 tokens in from these 4 tokens, then you're going to have a really good portfolio for Solana. Plus, you can invest in some of the meme coins and other stuff, but you have to be holding Solana, Radium, Jito, as well as one of the memes with WIF or Popcat, right? The third and final token in my list is Pump Fund. Yes, I know people are talking about it, but you have to be invested in this underlooked token. Why? Because the fundamentals are amazing, the technicals are amazing, and the metrics are doing super good. So I'm going to take you to the road on this thing. Hourly volume on the meme coin war, you can see how August 3rd, 4th, and 5th Bonk Fund was dominating, but now Pump Fund has taken the tide towards its side, and we are seeing the change in this whole trend. We can see how the daily buybacks for Pump Fund has been increasing like crazy. On August 4th, the cumulative buybacks in USD was 22.7 million, and yesterday it was 27 million. So it's increasing at a rapid pace, and this is what you want to see, right? They believe in their own token. They don't only believe in their token, they also believe in their platform. Why? How? They are buying their own token, which is Pump, plus they're also buying the tokens in the platform, which are on the platform, the good meme coins, right? They're curating them and they're buying them. And right now you can see on the Dune dashboard how they have invested around 1.69 mil in total into these meme coins, and their PNL is up like $24,000 as well. So they don't only believe in their token, they also believe in their whole system, their platform, which is quite amazing for any firm, and this should give you confidence. You should also get confidence when you look at the price chart, because price chart is sitting at the lows right now. You see these consolidations. I'm going to quickly show you. Obviously the first consolidation was what, 5 days. The second consolidation was 3 days. The third consolidation over here was only 1 day long. And now you have the final consolidation, which is the biggest one, 12-day massive consolidation in Pump Fund, now sitting at the support. I think this is it. This is the price you want to be in. You want to be in Pump at this price, 0.00303 bill valuation. You have to be here in this token. If you buy it right now for spot, trust me, you're going to get like 2x, 3x, 4x as well, because the company, the protocol is doing amazing amount of numbers when it comes to revenue. They are doing everything they can to push the price towards the upside in a good manner, in an actual good way. So guys, 3 tokens I talked about: Pump Fund, Hyperliquid, and Solana. I gave you the levels. I gave everything to you. And now that is it. So I just gave you 3 underlooked tokens: Hyperliquid, Solana, and Pump Fund. Trust me when I say this, no financial advice, but these tokens are actually making money. These projects are actually making money, revenue. These tokens are actually doing good when it comes to metrics. People know them, people understand them. Plus these tokens are sitting at an undervalued level. The technicals are super amazing for spot as well as leverage trades. Do not be fooled by stupid things in the market. Look at the good tokens, look at the fundamentally strong tokens, and that is what this video was about. I don't want you guys to lose money. What you need to do is like the video. If you like it, share it with your friends, because it's pure alpha, and subscribe the channel. I'm gonna keep doing this for free, guys. And until then, see you all. Take care.